I built a floating TV stand, and it's probably the best one you've ever seen. Years ago, I packed my stuff and moved out of my mom's house.
But why though?
Simply because my ex-girlfriend and I bought the house together. And after buying everything you could possibly imagine to furnish the house, our bank accounts were empty. Like literally empty! But I noticed something was still missing, which was the TV stand. Then I had a crazy idea to build one from scratch. But how was I even able to do this? I went on YouTube and watched thousands of woodworking videos. After that, I designed my own unique floating TV stand. My plan was simple. One long piece on the bottom with 6 small pieces lined up. One long piece on the back, one long piece on the top, plus small pieces creating a gap between the top layers so the LED could run between them and inside the cabinet. First, I had to cut 2 4x8 plywood sheets into 9 pieces. You can see me handling the power tools gently, cause it was my very first time using them. I want to express my deepest gratitude to my Lord. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to make this video, so shout out to Jesus Christ, the master builder of my life. After that, it was the time to start sanding all the pieces one by one.
I actually can't believe what I just saw.
Then, all I had to do was use the Craig pocket hole to make perfect holes, and add some wood glue to make it stronger. Just look how stronger they look after the glue dried. This was so satisfying. After my celebration dance, I felt more confident and nailed the back piece of my TV stand. Then I decided to use this cheap wallpaper on top of the TV stand. Now it was time to do a quick sanding again to smooth the wood after using a wood filler to cover the holes. After that, I started by priming the whole thing.
Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, it looks good.
Once that was done, I painted it a light gray, then waited for it to dry overnight.
The next morning,
the paint was fully dry. I slightly cut the wood to create a channel for the LED light to pass through. From here, I could see the TV stand coming together. So I decided to lock in and take this project to the next level. After running the LED light inside the cabinet, the tricky part was attaching it to the upper top. And then came the exciting reveal. Seeing this left me breathless, as there was no way to convince myself that I had crafted a masterpiece out of 2 sheets of plywood. Do you know if you drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, that will tickle my happy bone.
I can't subscribe to that.
2 thumbs down.
Then I nailed the lower top in place, but made the mistake of applying wallpaper to the upper top before nailing it down. Luckily, the wallpaper didn't stick too firmly, so I removed it, nailed the top securely, and reapplied the wallpaper with great confidence. This was literally my favorite part, because I did it in the cleanest way possible like a professional. I had made thousands of mistakes while building this TV stand, but installing these French cleats the wrong way was my last one. Right after I fixed the French cleats on the TV stand, I went upstairs to mount two other separate French cleats. After that, I used a level to ensure everything was perfectly leveled. Finally, the only remaining task was to bring the TV stand upstairs and mount it securely to the wall. Oh my god, this was heavy. If you've made it this far, that means you've seen every bit of work I put into this project. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, write a little comment about the video in general, and smash the subscribe button. Most importantly, don't forget Jesus Christ loves you. With that being said, here comes the final sexy stunning shot of the TV stand. Let's go!